All right, 5.1, write linear equations. In slope-intercept form. You can go get it. Sorry, I forgot you can't see. I was like, then I was like, oh, that's not being helpful, is it?
She can't see.
She has her glasses off. Then I realized.
Look back to see if she was there.
Huh?
I looked back to try to see her glasses.
You looked back to see if she was sitting there. Where to go?
All right, so slope-intercept form, we talked about this in the last chapter, but slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, or as Drew likes to write every time I ask you to write the equation of slope. Every time I've asked you to write the equation of slope, you've written that.
I thought slope was m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.
It is.
I actually did something, bro.
Okay, so those two things we're going to be using in this section. So pretty much this whole chapter is writing equations of lines in different forms. So this first section is writing it in slope-intercept form. So they're going to give us they're going to tell you this is the slope, this is the y-intercept, and we're literally just plugging those values into the equation. Super easy. Or they're going to give it to you as like a graph. Like they'll have a picture of a graph and they'll ask you to say what the equation of that line would be. Or they might give you 2 points and we have to use the slope formula to find the slope first, and then the point that is 0, whatever, is going to be your y-intercept. But we'll see all of that as we go through here. And then there's one other function notation thing that we'll look at as well. So, write an equation of the line with the given slope and y-intercept. So number 4, they say that the slope is 1 and the y-intercept is 5. So that means that this is M, this is B, and so it's mind-blowing, I know, but all I have to do is y is equal to x plus 5.
That's 5x?
Huh?
I thought it was 1.
Well, there's an imaginary 1 in front. I don't need to write the 1
Why not?
Because it's the same
because it's
thing.
just 1. It's an understood 1 in front of a variable.
You obviously did. JK.
6. The slope is -7. The y-intercept is 1. So turning away. Y equals -7x plus 1. It's hard stuff we've done all year, isn't it?
Oh my god. This is hurting my
What
brain.
is
Why do we
this?
have to do this?
Bro, it's just m equals -7
This hurts
and
my
b
brain.
equals 1.
Correct.
Oh, actually, that's all we gotta write, bro.
Homework tonight's gonna take 5 years, bro.
I know. It's going to be awful.
I'm gonna need like 15 pieces of paper.
So, is our job to, like, write the equation?
Yep. Like this right here is literally the answer.
So, wait, is that all we're doing today? Alright, good.
Not exactly, but
Bro,
all right. Now, if they give you a graph, like they actually have a picture for you, and I'm not going to make you copy that over, but for right now, I'm going to put them up here so we can see it. But where you would be writing the equation of the line with the given information from the graph. So we have a graph here. I have a point at 0, -4, and I'm writing on here what they would have given you. And then a point at 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 0. This is not going very well.
You got this.
You know, maybe
Oh, I did it. Close enough.
paper would be better.
And then they do this.
He does not like me. So that is 4 and 4. Yeah, that's what I said.
Now, they draw this on here for you. This was all given information, and you're writing the equation of the line. Okay. I know that my intercept has to be -4, okay, because that's what's on the y-axis. So I know that b is equal to -4. Now, the slope, they've shown you that it goes up 3, right 3, but I also, without that, could have said, well, I went up 4, right 4, okay? Which means that the slope would be 4/4, but that reduces to what? 1. So that means it has a slope of 1. This line is going up the hill, so that means it's positive. So then I take that information and I can write my equation. Y equals 1 times x minus 4. And then that would be your answer for that.
That is so easy.
I got a question.
Oh my gosh.
What does X stand for in math?
Any number.
That's what it stands for.
Just a number,
Like that?
yes.
That's what. Does it have like a silent X in front of that?
No. It's like
What
a
does
1.
Y stand for?
A number.
Only thing I'm thinking, because X and Y, I would think that what it means would start with an X or a Y.
No.
I'll come back tomorrow, I'll figure it out.
Did you just take medicine? What did you take? That has caffeine in it, so that could be why. Yeah, I don't take that for migraines. I don't think it works. Do you want to go back over to the office? Okay. I was like, okay. If it gets worse, let me know.
They love me, bro. They like give me hugs. They all give me hugs. Even Mr.
Well,
Ball.
if it gets worse, let me know. If you need to put your head down and rest, that's okay. I don't mind. Okay. 12. Another graph. All right, they put the point 0.04 on here. And the point, well, I honestly couldn't tell you exactly where it hits. It's somewhere past 1, but it appears that at 1, 1 there's a point. But it doesn't say exactly. Anyways.
How is X 1 on the other one?
Huh?
Because it's 4/4, and 4/4 reduces to 1.
So it goes up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1.
4, 4.
Which reduces to 1. Okay, so this is the graph that they give us. They draw it like this, and there's a -3 here and a 1 here. So what is my intercept?
It's 4.
And then my slope?
-3.
Yep, -3/1 or just -3. So then my equation, y equals -3x plus 4. So that's what it's specifically asking you to do. Now, I'm not inclined to give you one like that on your quiz or your test, because that means I would have to graph it for you ahead of time. I'm more likely to give you the other kind because that's really what you need to be able to do. Okay, so So we're going to jump down to the ones that are a little bit more involved, where they're giving us 2 points and we have to find the slope and then write the equation of the line from there.
Could never be just easy.
Well, it's not hard still. If you know how to find slope, it's not hard.
It can't just be one. It's always gonna-
24, -3, 1, and 0, -8. Now, what I can tell you is I can pretty much guarantee you're going to see at least one of these kind on there. It should be free points, as long as you know the formula. Okay, so when you're looking at 2 points, we need to find the slope, but then I also need to figure out what the intercept is. The intercept is going to be the point that is 0 for x and then just a y value. So my intercept for this is what?
-8.
-8.
-8.
But now I need to find my slope. So I'm going to use that slope formula to find my slope. So I'm going to call this as 0.2, this is 0.1. So I've got -8 minus 1 over 0 minus a negative. So that's going to be +3. So I get -9 over 3.
Reduces down to -3 because it just does.
Yep. So then I can write my equation of my line. What would that be?
Y equals -3x minus 8. It's
Beautiful.
Oh. Coach Hunter had us doing planks up and. I know
It's
that's
good for
so
ya.
odd, but like.
26.
Dylan.
2, -4, and 0, -4. Alright, so what is my thing just blinked?
B is -4.
No, it's
Yep.
5.
Alright, so then slope. Somebody tell me how to set up slope.
So basically, it's gonna be -4 minus -4
Which is plus. It's plus a plus.
over 0 minus 2, and it's gonna be 0 over 2
-2.
You can't
-2. My bad.
0 over -2 is what?
0.
So, what does that mean about this line?
That means it's y equals 0 or just x plus.
Y equals -4.
So, it would look like this. However, we wouldn't leave it this way. We would rewrite it as y equals -4 because it's a horizontal line.
You know who I look like right now? Donald Trump. After he got shot in the ear. You saw that happen.
I think it was the other hand, but okay.
Oh. Ow.
Especially you.
Okay. So there's another notation that they can give you this same information in, and it's called function notation.
Hey, guys, can y'all be quiet, please?
Okay, function notation is essentially they're going to give you f of a value equals something and then another f of a value equals something. So it's going to essentially look like this. F of x1 is equal to y1 and f of x2 is equal to y2. Now, I write it this way because what this is going to produce is we're going to use this x and y to get our coordinates. So I'm going to have x1, y1, and x2, y2. So the only difference with these problems compared to the previous ones is you're going to have to write the coordinates rather than them just giving them to you. Okay?
So much work.
So 30. And the same thing's going to apply. If x is 0 and then there's a y value, that's going to be your intercept. So f of 0 is equal to 2 and f of 2 is equal to 4. So the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite these as an ordered pair. So this is x, this is y, so it's 0, 2.
Did you get 0?
Because it's literally written right here. Right here, this is a 0.
Yeah, but like, is this an actual problem?
Yes, number 30.
3.
30.
I thought that's it.
And then this one, x, then y, 2, 4. So those are my 2 coordinates. So it's basically just one extra thing compared to the previous ones that we were doing. So what is my intercept?
4.
No.
2.
2.
What? How did we get
It's
that?
where x is 0.
What?
The intercept's on the y-axis, which means x has to be 0. So we're looking for the one that has a 0 for x.
It's one on this side?
Yes, this one that has 0 for extra.
I'm so confused right now.
All the ones where x was 0, we got our y-intercept from.
So is it 0? Wait, which 2?
This one.
Oh, okay. So if it's 0 a number,
It's 0 comma something. Whatever that something is your intercept. All right, now find the slope. 4 minus 2 over 2 minus 0. That's 2 over 2.
That equals 1.
So we get 1. So then my equation of my line, y equals
1x 2.
x plus 2.
you're talking. You talking.
32. F of 0 equals negative 2. And f of 4 equals negative 3. So what are my 2 coordinates with this one?
Negative 2 and 0. Well, 0, negative 2, and then 4 and negative 3. And since the 0 is on that side, that means the b is negative 2. Hey, I'm trying to answer some questions here.
Okay, so my intercept is negative 2 because that's where x is 0. So then find my slope.
Slope is going to be 3, negative 3, minus 0,
No.
You got a plus
Minus-
or plus?
plus 2, and then over 4 minus 0, which is 0.
Negative 1 over 4.
Wait, negative 1 over 4.
So now write the equation of the line.
Y equals 1, negative 1/4 x plus minus 2. Keep on saying-
34. F of negative 2 equals 6. And f of 0 equals negative 4.
So that would be negative 2, comma, 6, and that would be 0, comma, negative 4. And then the b would be negative 4 since the 0's on that side. And then it's m equals negative
Good,
4
bro.
plus
Can't put
6.
sense for something.
No, minus 6. What?
Bro. Dude. I know y'all saw that.
What happened? What happened? What happened?
He was shaking his leg like this.
What? I don't think that's what was happening.
No, you didn't see his leg go like that? He was going like this and started looking up and everything.
What? I have no idea what just happened. Okay, negative 4 minus 6 over
0 plus 2. So that's negative 10 over 2, which I'll simplify to negative 5. So that's y equals negative 5 x minus 4. I'm trying to solve the equation, not you.
What
Yeah, let
happens
Drew
if there
solve
is
it.
no 0 as
Drew's
x?
getting
Oh, yeah. What?
It's a great question. You'll find out
That's the next question.
Next, tomorrow.
tomorrow.
No.
Miss Stacy, even you think the same, bro.
When we come back. All right, I want you guys to do this one on your own, and then if we're good, we will just do homework problems. F of 4 equals 13 and f of 0 equals 21. So again, you're doing this one by yourself.
How do I start?
I would look back at the previous one.
What the frick? What?
Oh.
Uh.
Over this dude goes.
Sean?
Alright, now we gotta start paying attention to Sean, what he's doing.
I promise you, y'all don't see this, but he does it in class too. This is not the first time he's done this.
I can't look at your notes, bro.
You should have written your own down.
You and Malia made me
Bro,
cry in the matter
I
of
like,
5 minutes.
I read
Yeah,
this
was I good actor though? Did you?
f of x equals y. and-
Work on your problem.
Don't talk to me. Still peanut butter. Shut up.
I think I got it. Huh?
I think your slope is wrong.
I don't think
Okay, what'd we get?
so. 17 over 13x minus 41.
Y equals negative 2x plus 21.
Y equals negative 2x plus 21.
What'd you get? Y equals negative 2. Where is negative 2 coming from, bro?
Because you.
21 minus 13 over 0 minus 4 would be 8 over negative 4, which equals negative 2.
Oh, I put it in wrong.
I can't subtract.
Oh, can I redo it?
I mean, I would suggest it so you have the right answer. All right, questions? Easy enough.
Yeah, I think it's pretty easy.
All right, problems.
Homework.
3 through 11 odd. And then
We just did that, or?
25, 29, 31, 33, and 37. Oh, yeah, 37.
Just 33.